Have you ever felt overwhelmed by too many online accounts? Maybe you've realized you no longer need a particular service or simply want to simplify your digital life. Today, we're going to tackle a question that might be on your mind. How do you close your Northone account? Northone, with its sleek interface and convenient features, has become a popular choice for many. But sometimes, life changes, and you may find yourself wanting to move on. Closing your Northone account might seem daunting, but it's a straightforward process. Let's walk through it together. Step-by-step guide. Log into your Northone account. This is the first step. Ensure you have the correct login credentials. Navigate to Settings or Account. Look for a section typically labeled Settings, Account, or something similar. This is where you'll find options to manage your account. Find the Close Account option. Within the Settings menu, you should come across a section titled Close Account or something similar. Click on it. Confirm your decision. Northone might ask you to confirm your decision to close your account. This is a safety measure to prevent accidental closures. Provide reasons, optional. Some platforms may ask for a reason why you're closing your account. This is optional, but it can help them improve their services. Review your account. Before closing, take a moment to review your account. Ensure you've downloaded any important information or files you need. Final confirmation. Once you're ready, proceed with the final confirmation. This will permanently close your Northone account. Additional considerations. Pending transactions. If you have any pending transactions, ensure they're settled before closing your account. Refunds or chargebacks. If you're eligible for a refund or chargeback, initiate the process before closing your account. Data deletion. Understand Northone's data retention policy. If you're concerned about your data, you might want to request its deletion before closing. Troubleshooting tips. Technical difficulties. If you encounter any problems during the closing process, try contacting Northone's customer support. Account access issues. If you're unable to access your account, you might need to reset your password or contact customer support for assistance. Closing your Northone account is a relatively simple process. By following these steps, you can effectively terminate your account and move on to other financial tools or services. Always prioritize your online security and ensure you're taking the necessary steps to protect your personal information. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.